Hola chicas, bienvenidas a Fu Café. Adelante.
Hola, hola, hola. Hola chicos.
Hi, I'm attending a workshop for digital marketing in Tenerife, and I'm here with my professor, Alberto.
Yes, hello, hola. The topic of today, as she said, is how to create a great video. Good. I always say that this is a combination of little details all together. Things such as good music, as I said before, revealing the feeling that you want to show, good quality videos, good storytelling, and at the end, something that is worth to see.